Hi everybody, it's Maria. Today we're going to be making Christmas crack. There are many variations of making this recipe, but I'm going to show you one of my family's favorite. I hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas. And you're going to need approximately 50 crackers. I use these Premium Plus Salted Top Crackers. You're going to need dark brown sugar. And you're going to need mixed nuts. I use the Costco brand and they're already roasted. I just chop them. I use about 2 cups of these, but you can use any nuts you like. You can use slivered almonds, you can use whatever you like. Okay, and you're also going to need 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup. So we're gonna, on your 14 by 20 sheet pan, I place parchment paper so that it does not stick. If you don't have parchment paper, feel free to use foil paper, but you'll have to spray it with some spray, the non-stick spray, so that your crackers don't stick to the foil. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue laying these all out with the salted tops facing up. Now in the saucepan, you mix your 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup, with 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to bring that to a boil, stirring for 3 minutes until it's all melted and combined. So we've let it boil for 3 minutes on the stove, and it's thickened it up. It's melted everything and thickened it up. And now we're going to pour it all over our crackers. And spread it out evenly. While we're doing this, we're preheating our oven to 400. So we're going to just watch it. So it's in the oven for 5 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it starts to get the toffee gets all bubbly, then we will remove it. And then we're going to sprinkle about 1.5 bags or as much as you want of chocolate chips. I personally like to use the pure semi-sweet ones, but you can use milk, you can use dark chocolate, whatever kind you prefer. Okay, we've removed our toffee from the oven. It's all bubbly, and what we're going to do now is spread our chocolate chips so you could do 1.5 cups, but I like chocolate, so I'm going to put some more. And let it sit for 3 or 4 minutes, just until it starts to melt. And then we're going to spread it around. Make sure it's all evenly coated. spread it, and now we're going to top it with our nuts or any other toppings that you would like to use. If you like to use chopped candy canes, or but I find it's really delicious with mixed roasted chopped nuts. As I said, these ones are already roasted and they're unsalted. You can use salted if you wish, but I figured the crackers already had the salt in it, and so did the butter I used. So I'm using unsalted nuts, which is what we have on hand. So I've chopped them up into little pieces, and now we're just going to sprinkle it on top. Again, you can use about a cup or a cup and a half. I think I've got about 2 cups here. I like lots of them. It really adds flavor to the toffee, and the chocolate goes so well together. There. So now we're going to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to put it in the fridge until it's cold and the chocolate is totally set, and then we will take it out and break it into pieces. It's been an hour or more. We've taken our Christmas crack out of the fridge. The chocolate is hard now. We can go ahead and start breaking it up into serving size pieces. You can make this pieces as big as you want or as small as you want. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.